Hello everybody, this is Jacob Nally with the Graphite Lab, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to renew a membership properly inside of ServiceTitan rather than just selling a new membership. Alright, so here I've got a membership pulled up. This is the membership that I want to renew. Let's say Jack Turner's called in, he's like, I want to renew my membership, but maybe we're not going to perform that work right away. There's two main ways to renew a membership. The first is you're actually going to go to the membership, click Renew Membership. If the membership has a renewal task, which it should, you'll select that renew task and click Create. This will simply just create a renewal invoice, which will renew that membership. The reason you'll want to renew the membership is because it basically resets the expiration date for that membership to whenever the next duration completion is. If you just sell a new one, you won't get all the benefits from like tracking expiring memberships. To do this on a job, all you'll have to do is just add this renew task to a job on the location that has this membership you want to renew, and you'll have to select the membership that you want to renew into. So this is how you renew a membership inside of ServiceTitan rather than just sell a net new one.